Oh hi, it's Richard from SkinBase. I've recently emailed you to offer you a 2-week free trial of our microdermabrasion machine, and you're probably thinking, who on earth is SkinBase? I've never heard of them. Well, this is the factory. I'd like to show you around. Follow me. This is our trophy cabinet where we put all the awards that we won. Last year we won the National Beauty Award for the Best Advanced Treatment. That's this one here. And the year before we won the same treatment, the National Beauty Award for the Best Advanced Treatment 2018 as well. Last year we also won the Best Training Provider, the Best Use of Social Media and the Best Customer Support Services. So this is the nerve centre. This is where the machines are actually made in England, and this is where, when you call your toll-free number in the United States, you will speak to somebody that works here. We're currently on lockdown from the virus, so people are working from home, but as you can see there's about 12 desks here, and I'll show you around. These are the IPL machines that will soon be available in the United States, but they're not quite yet. These are our collagen lift machines, which is a non-surgical alternative to Botox. Again, this will be available soon, and on our website you can register your interest for this. But this is the workshop where we make the microdermabrasion machines, and as you can see there's lots of machines here queued up to go out, and these are the workbenches where they're actually built. So what I'd like to offer you today is a completely free 2-week trial of this system, but before you make a decision, I'd like to send you our promo pack. So what this promo pack enables you to do is to actually demonstrate to your clients and to your family and friends what this treatment does, and to see if you can generate some interest for it. This is the box that I'll be sending you. In here there are some invitation cards. All you need to do is put your name, your client's name, and sign it, and there's envelopes, and post those out. Some chocolate. We'll send you the cleanser that you clean the skin with before treatment, and the post-treatment moisturizer cream. A patch test box. We'll send you some journals so that those that are serious about having the course can actually log their progress throughout the 8-week course. Some treatment cards where you will consult with your client. More leaflets, aftercare cards you give to your client when they leave. $20 off to incentivize the first treatment. Some more leaflets, like a loyalty system, and some stickers where people can build up, and you can decide what you want to offer. Maybe have 8 stickers and get a free treatment, something like that. We'll give you a presenter for your coffee table, a waterproof desktop info card, window sticker, tent card, and also assorted posters for you to post around the salon. Once you've then received this promo pack and you're happy that you can definitely make this treatment work, or certainly want to try, we will then send you the online course, which will take about 30 minutes to make sure that you understand the theory behind the treatment. We'll then ship the machine to you. This machine can be mobile, and it can also be salon based, and then we will offer either Zoom or FaceTime or unlimited calls to one of our 8 trainers that work in the UK, and we will talk you through how to do a practical treatment. You've got 2 ways of purchasing this machine after your 2-week trial. You can either decide to pay per treatment at $25 a treatment, or you can decide to purchase your own machine. If you go for the $25 pay per treatment version, when you need more supplies, we'll send you one of these free of charge. This is called our service pack. This box will arrive in the post. Inside will be some more treatment cards, some more info cards, and some more aftercare cards for your clients. We'll give you a whole pack of new creams to use, some more chocolates, some nozzles for the handset, a new filter jar, and also some crystal to refill the little bottles that we'll give you that you need to keep. So once these are empty, these just pour straight out, really easy to refill. So to give you a quick run through on the machine, it's an absolute doddle to use. Super reliable. We've got over 2,000 of these currently working in the UK and Ireland. Place the crystal onto the back of the handset, put your proximity key, turn the machine on, finger on the blue nozzle, turn the dial to the pressure that you would like, and then away you go. So essentially, when you've had this 2-week trial, you can decide whether you want to purchase a machine, or you can do the pay-as-you-go, pay per treatment at $25. That choice is up to you. The money that you make in the first 2 weeks will be all yours to keep. Lots of people will actually earn well over $1,000 in that first 2 weeks. So if you get really organised, you may even be able to buy the machine from the money that you make during the 2-week trial. If for any reason it's not for you, you can't make it work, or you're not happy with it, for whatever reason, we will collect that machine back at our cost at the end of your 2-week trial. So you really do not have anything to lose. So if you'd like to take advantage of this completely free 2-week trial offer, please just click the link below, fill in your details, and within 48 hours I'll be in touch to arrange your promo pack to be sent to you. Thanks for your time.